Today is Sunday, June 28th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado AM/FM original vintage DELCO stereo radio that has been fully restored for my friend Jim in California. Okay, this unit will be going out as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. This is the final assembly of the fully restored embodiment. Okay, the unit was completely disassembled. All the capacitors changed out as part of the standard practice for restoring these radios. The case has been climatized with a corrosion-resistant surface treatment after being taken down to bare metal, and the nose and side dissipating heatsink have been resprayed. So every one of the electrical connections on both circuit boards, primary and secondary, upper and lower, have been inspected and reinforced where necessary. Every individual solder joint under a magnifying scope has been done. And as I said, all the capacitors have been changed out. The one of the ceramic resistant fuses was changed out, and both of the transistors, okay, on the side. So the unit has been fully restored, both cosmetically and functionally, and this unit has been augmented with Bluetooth functionality. So we'll be testing the AM/FM stereo radio. We'll be testing the 8-track tape that slides inside here. Okay, we'll be using a vintage Eagles cassette tape for that purpose, and we'll be using my cell phone and showing how we have the ability to play modern MP3, MP4 video audio files through the original vintage high fidelity DELCO stereo system. Now, the original vintage high fidelity DELCO systems require 10 ohm impedance speakers, require 4 speakers to be connected at all times when the stereo unit is energized. Very, very critical. Okay, all of the speakers must be grounded, okay, and must be utilizing the internal grounds of the speakers, okay, whereby the connecting ports on the harness plug have been facilitated to support the speakers. Here we can see we have the green and the black for each left and right, the black being obviously the ground. Okay, so all speakers must be 10 ohm. You cannot use modern 4 ohm speakers. You cannot use 8 ohm speakers. You cannot use 6 ohm speakers. We're talking about 10 ohm impedance speakers in order to support this high fidelity radio. Anything other than that will jeopardize the radio and cause it to blow. Okay, primarily the transistors will blow, or the ceramic resistor fuses will blow, or both, as well as damage to the motherboard can occur. Okay, so having said all that, we're now going to go ahead and energize the unit. And we're in FM mode right now. Beautiful fidelity. I have some pre-selected channels.
The weekend station is also your official workstation.
I'm going to go ahead and shut off my light so we can see the stereo light.
Continuous light favorites.
Okay, right here we can see the stereo. Of course, we have manual tuning. We have pre-selected channels.
Get fleet savings now on new
Now I'll switch to AM mode.
Skilled in metalworks. Could be skilled in so many varying areas. And then you can pieces of no information. Get your iHeart Radio music.
Playing, so I was in California with the Modesto Nuts. And
KJV says that if one part
okay, go back to FM now.
And banner with Geico Car Insurance, the benefits feel endless.
Okay, now we're going to go ahead and show how the Bluetooth works. Go to my pre-selected frequency, which is the last channel. I'll get my phone. And I'm playing Lighter Shade of Pale from Poco Harum. We'll check the adjustments, including the crisscross fader. Take it back to neutral. Beautiful fidelity. Okay, I'll go ahead and select another song. Carlos Santana. And now Painted Black from the Rolling Stones. Okay, so we've tested the AM/FM stereo radio, we've tested the Bluetooth functionality, and the last thing to test is the 8-track tape. Trying to do this with one hand.